I am going to tell you a financial secret that sounds completely backwards, but I promise you this single truth changes absolutely everything. Your very first $1,000 invested matters infinitely more than your first 100,000. Now, mathematically, that sounds completely ridiculous, right? Because getting from 100,000 to $1 million takes a massive amount of compound interest. But getting from zero to your very first $1,000 is the hardest psychological jump you will ever make in your entire life. It requires completely shattering the mindset that investing is only for the ultra-rich. Getting started requires leaping over the massive barrier of, I don't know how to do this. And the moment you land on the other side, everything permanently changes, because investing that first $1,000 destroys the fear holding you back. It completely incinerates the anxiety of the unknown. It smashes through the invisible wall, keeping you on the sidelines. It transforms you from a passive spectator watching the economy into an active, powerful investor participating in it. But first, we have to talk about the massive, invisible wall standing in your way. Wall Street has spent decades intentionally building an environment of absolute chaos. They want you to look at the financial world and feel completely overwhelmed. They throw aggressive, flashing numbers and charts at you constantly. They use ridiculously complex jargon like EBITDA, derivatives, and PE ratios. It's specifically designed to build a force field that makes you feel stupid. Why? Because if they can convince you that investing is too complicated, then you will gladly pay some guy in an expensive suit a massive fee to do it for you. But you don't need them, and you definitely don't need to speak their language. You have the power to completely shatter that illusion right now. You don't need a finance degree to build serious generational wealth, and you can wave goodbye to the Wall Street gatekeepers forever. All you need is a simple, peaceful, repeatable system. You can throw away the massive, boring finance textbooks, and you can permanently turn off those stressful, flashing stock charts. We are going to replace all of that noise with a clean, simple blueprint. I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step launch pad you need today. This is a foolproof three-step process to launch your financial future. So let's lock in and execute step number 1 right now. Prepare to completely change your financial trajectory. Step 1 is establishing your absolute safety net. But before we buy a single stock, we must establish a hard ground rule. Do not, under any circumstances, invest your grocery or rent money. You cannot put the money you need to survive at risk in the market. The stock market is not a casino, and you cannot gamble with your lifeline. You must fiercely protect your basic living expenses from market volatility, because the reality is the stock market goes up and it also goes down. And if real life happens and your car suddenly breaks down tomorrow, you are going to need cash immediately to fix it. If your only cash is trapped at the bottom of a volatile market crash, you will be forced to sell your investments at a painful loss just to survive. We avoid this disaster by building an unshakable foundation first. You need to build a safety net to catch you when life throws you a curveball. Your goal is exactly 1 month of living expenses sitting securely in cash. But please, do not leave this money in a traditional bank account. If you leave $3,000 in a traditional ancient bank earning 0.01%, that bank is going to pay you a pathetic 30 cents for the entire year. Instead, you need to open a modern high-yield savings account. These accounts let your cash passively grow, completely insulated from risk. A high-yield account paying 4.5% gives you a free $135 a year. Once your safety net is set, step 2 is opening the portal. I hear people say all the time that they don't even know how to buy a stock. But I promise you, the process happens right in the palm of your hand. A brokerage account is literally just a digital portal that connects you to the market. It might seem intimidating at first, but it is incredibly simple. If you know how to order a pepperoni pizza on a delivery app, then you already have all the technical skills required to buy a stock. This portal is simply a highly secure bridge between your bank and Wall Street. But you must avoid all the sketchy, gamified crypto apps that try to lure you in. Swipe away the flashy trading apps that encourage you to gamble your money. You only want to use the absolute gold standard of the financial world. You want one of the big 3, Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Pick Fidelity or Vanguard, and you are choosing decades of proven reliability. Setting up an account takes a grand total of 5 minutes. You just type in your basic information and answer a few simple questions. It is a fast, seamless process designed to get you up and running instantly. You securely verify your identity so the IRS knows exactly who you are. Then you link your checking account directly to your new brokerage app. And just like that, you are officially equipped and ready to invest. Oh, and the best part? It costs absolutely $0 to open. Step 3 is discovering the ultimate cheat code of wealth building. We need to wipe the slate clean and talk about what you actually buy. We are settling the massive debate between active stock picking and passive investing. Now that you have $1,000 sitting in your account, where does it go? You do not buy Apple, you do not buy Tesla, and you don't chase individual trends. And you definitely don't buy whatever hot penny stock your buddy told you about. You ignore the noise and focus on a brutal, undeniable statistical fact. Look at the SPIVA scorecard, which tracks professional Wall Street fund managers. These are people paid millions of dollars to sit at a desk and pick stocks all day. Even with all their resources, they constantly fail to predict the market. Over a 10-year period, more than 80% of professionals fail to beat the market average. If the guys in the suits can't beat the market, neither can you. So stop trying to work so hard and just buy the entire market instead. You are going to load up your cart with an S&P 500 index fund. Just hit the buy button on the entire American economy. You are looking for a ticker symbol like VOO or VTI. When you buy a single share of VOO, something magical happens. You instantly own a microscopic piece of the 500 largest companies in America. If one of those companies fails and goes totally bankrupt, you don't even care because the other 499 companies hold you up. But the absolute biggest trap beginners fall into is the cost of hesitation. Let's look at two totally different mindsets, Person A and Person B. Person B thinks they need to read 20 complex books before they can start. They drown themselves in endless hours of contradictory YouTube tutorials. They suffer from severe analysis paralysis, completely stuck overthinking every detail. Meanwhile, Person A says, I don't know everything, but I'm going to start anyway. Person A simply tosses their first $1,000 into an index fund today, and then they relax, setting up a completely automated $100 monthly transfer. 5 years later, Person B finally feels ready to make a move. At age 30, Person B painstakingly clicks the button to make their very first investment. Let's look at how that simple 5-year delay permanently alters their lives. We're going to race them side by side on a compound interest chart. Person A's money takes off immediately, compounding beautifully year after year. Because Person B waited, their money sits at 0 for 5 crucial years. Let's fast forward through decades of compounding until they both reach age 60. Person A's consistent, early start skyrockets their portfolio to over $230,000. They are standing triumphantly on top of a mountain built by time in the market, but Person B's portfolio peaks out at just $145,000. Person B looks up, realizing they lost out on massive wealth simply because they hesitated. Waiting just 5 years literally burned $85,000 of potential wealth. So here's the final mindset upgrade you need to make right now. Listen closely, because this will change how you view yourself. Step out of the chaos and realize this simple, profound truth. Absolutely no one is born knowing how the stock market works. Every single successful investor started at the exact same bottom step. But the moment you take that first step, everything illuminates. The stress and the anxiety of the unknown simply vanish into thin air. The massive wall of fear that held you back crumbles the moment you take action. You instantly transform into someone who controls their financial destiny. You stop being a spectator, and you become an actual owner of the economy. So do not wait for the perfect moment to press that button. Set up your safety net, download the brokerage app, and make your first move today. If you are still nervous and want to see the exact buttons to click, hit subscribe, and I will walk you through a screen share tutorial in the next video. Start building your fortune today. I will see you next time.